Hi everyone and welcome to the Datamaniaco YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to send emails to one recipient. Customize it in its styles and information with only using Google Sheets and your Gmail account in an automatically free and easy way. Whether you're in the area of sales, marketing, education, project management, etc., it's common that the people want to send amazing emails. At the end of this video, you are going to send email like this, with just using our awesome template. A glance at the samples, it's observed that the recipient, subject, and content of the emails are customized. Additionally, there's have different styles in the background color and the image or logos, with the option of attaching a PDF file via link. This is possible thanks to having the recipient and style information stored in a Google Sheet. I will explain to you the Google Sheets template that produces the awesome email. You can visit and copy the spreadsheet that is linked in the video's description below. As you can see, the template has 9 columns and its names indicate the text or content you will fill up. Coming up, I'm going to describe and explain one by one. The first column indicates the ID or the route number of the data. In this case, we only use one row. The second column corresponds to the recipient email. This field is to whom we want to send the email. The third column is the subject of the email. The fourth column is the name of the persons that will receive the email. This field will give us a customized message. The fifth column, the content, is the email message. This field collects the topics you want to express. Sixth field defines the background color of the email template by means of a drop-down list with 16 different colors. In the seventh column will be or no, depends on you, the link of the image or logo of your company. In this field will be embed the Google Drive link with the following condition. We find the image into a Google Drive and take the link from the share option, like this. You copy the link and we'll get the link like this. Relating to this link, we'll extract the ID from it. To do this, cut and copy the ID from its take the part after D and before view, like this. And paste it after the following character string, view and ID equal. The link found in the image field, like this. But if you don't want the template to show any image or logo, you can erase the link and the template will send the email without the image or logo. Finally, in the eighth column will be or no, depend on you, the link of the PDF file or any other file. If you don't want to attach a file, you can erase the link and left the empty cell. In the other case, you have to do the following. Find or save the file into your Google Drive account. Then get the link from the share option and paste it in the field of the 8th column, like this. The final column is just a validation field and fills up automatically with the yes word after clicking the button. The word indicates that the template executed correctly and the email was sent. Okay, we are ready to click the button and send the email with the template. But first, we have to give some access. So, let me show you how to give access and run the template from your Gmail account. So, before processing, let me clear one thing. You don't need to do this every time you run the template. You only do this once in your life. To access and run the template, follow the following step. First, click once on the button and it will ask for the authorization required. Second, click on Continue button to review permission. Then it will open a new window. Choose and click which Gmail account you want to run the template. In this case, I click in this account. Then Google just gives you a warning that Google doesn't know what kind of script is, because it is not Google's own script. In summary, the script does exactly the explanation given in the introduction. To run the template, click in Advanced Settings. And when you click on Advanced option, it will show you a message to inform you that there is some risk if this script is from a third party. Click on Template Send Email. Then another window opens and it will actually show us that we are giving access to this script. Once we agree with this, just click on Allow button. Now we click on the button and immediately the template is executed. We verify the results by entering the defined Gmail and observing the email. We actually see that the email is already found and it is validated that it satisfies the determined characteristic. For example, the color and the logo and the file link. Thanks for watching this video. My name is William Mateus and this was